N.T. Ramarao is a popular Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh and a very good film star in Telugu cinema field, having 33 years spanning from 1949 to 1982 with L.V. Prasad Manadesham. It is the first film, and he has acted in Venkateswara Mahacham. After he has become very popular star and almost a king in the Telugu cine field. And he born in Krishna district of Andhra Pradesh on May 28 in 1923. And he started Telugu Desam Party at Hyderabad in 1982, and he got a marvelous victory in Andhra Pradesh and had become a very good Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh and kept all his promises, and the masses appreciated him like anything, and his party stands Telugu Desam is really a good, remarkable, historical party in Andhra Pradesh. And thus N.T. Ramarao is a film star and is a very good political leader of Andhra Pradesh in Telugu arena. Dr. N.T. Ramarao died because of heart attack after his second marriage. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, born on May 12th in 1913 in Anantapuram district of Andhra Pradesh. In 1929, he has joined in the national movement. In 1937, Reddy was appointed as the secretary of Andhra Provincial Congress Committee, and later he became the chairman of the All India Congress Committee. He played a very good role in the formation of Andhra Pradesh state in 1956, and he became the first Chief Minister of the Andhra Pradesh state. As a speaker in 1967 to 69, he was conducted the proceedings of the Lok Sabha House. And on July 25th, 1977, he has become the President of India. And on June 1st, 1996, he passed away. Rajesh Pilot was born on February 10th, 1945 in Ghaziabad district of Uttar Pradesh. He joined in Indian Air Force after his education and entered into the politics. He entered Parliament in 1980 and remained as a member till 1999. During his term, he has worked as a transport Minister and Communication Minister with P.V. Narasimha Rao's government and with Rajiv Gandhi's government. He died in a road accident in Rajasthan on June 11, 2000, that is on Sunday evening. The youngest Prime Minister of India, that is Rajiv Gandhi, born on August 20th, 1944, and sent to the Cambridge University, England for higher studies. He came into contact with Sonia Gandhi, the Italian girl, and resulted in the marriage in 1968. They got two children. One is Rahul Gandhi, another is Priyanka Gandhi. In 1981, he entered into the politics. In 1984, after her mother, Indira Gandhiji's assassination, Rajiv Gandhi has become the Prime Minister of India. And he improved the technical standards of India. And he has improved the technological values in India and sent IPKF to Sri Lanka to resolve the problem between LTTE and Sri Lanka. Somehow, because of that, on May 21st, he was assassinated in Sri Perambur of Tamil Nadu, which is a very, very sacred religion place of Sri Ramanujacharya, who is the Hindu ethic philosopher and Hindu guru. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the second President of India. He born on September 5th, 1888 at Tirutani in Chennai and completed his studies at Chennai. In 1946, he was the Chief Indian Delegate to UNESCO. In 1947, he became member of the Indian Assembly. In Radhakrishnan was sent to as an ambassador to the Soviet Union in 1949. He has become the Vice President of India from 1952 to 1962. After death of Dr. Rajendra Prasad, he has become the President of India. In 1954, he was awarded Bharata Ratna. On April 17, 1975, he passed away, and his birthday even today are celebrating as Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the second President of India. He born on September 5th, 1888 at Tirutani in Chennai and completed his studies at Chennai. In 1946, he was the Chief Indian Delegate to UNESCO. In 1947, he became member of the Indian Assembly. In Radhakrishnan was sent to as an ambassador to the Soviet Union in 1949. He has become the Vice President of India from 1952 to 1962. After death of Dr. Rajendra Prasad, he has become the President of India. In 1954, he was awarded Bharata Ratna. On April 17, 1975, he passed away, and his birthday even today are celebrating as Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day. The Iron Man of India and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, born on October 31st, 1875 in Gujarat. He was elected as Municipal Corporation of Ahmedabad in 1917. His efforts in the agricultural field, they have given the title Sardar to the Vallabhbhai Patel. Vallabhbhai Patel is very daring and his thoughts are vigorous and excellent. Because of his thoughts, all small kingdoms after independence, they have been united. Example, Hyderabad province in Andhra Pradesh, it has become to Andhra Pradesh. It has added to Andhra Pradesh, and now in Telangana. 1942, he participated in the Quit India movement, and he passed away on December 15, 1950, and he was the Iron Man of India, and Sardar title was given to him, so he has become Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And our present Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, he has instituted a very big statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and Narendra Modi ji is a very good follower of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, because he has inaugurated the statue of very big statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Pholan Devi was a dacoit turned politician. She born in 1963. At the age of 11, she was married for the price of bicycle and cow, and she was tortured by in-laws, and her husband was abandoned, and she was kidnapped by a dacoit gang, and thus she has become dacoity. She has participated in several robberies and ambushes. She was involved in the shooting of 22 Thakur men of Behmai in 1981, and she surrendered in a public ceremony and jailed for 11 years. After release, she entered into the politics as Samajwad Party. She launched her own party, later on named as Ekalavya Manch. Polan Devi was murdered brutally in 2001. Ganti Mohana Chandra Balayogi was the youngest Speaker of the Lok Sabha. On October 1st, 1951, he born and he completed his education from Andhra University in political science and graduation in law. And he entered into the Lok Sabha in 1991. Later on, in 1998, he was the member of the Legislative Assembly. Then, in 1998, he was elected as the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. He has performed excellent duties and he has made Edurlanka Yanam Bridge. On March 4th, 2002, at the age of 51, he was flying on an helicopter from Bhimavaram to Bhimavaram and got crashed. Helicopter was crashed and he died and fallen down in a lake in Andhra Pradesh. Rabindranath Tagore, born in West Bengal, and he got Nobel Peace Prize in Literature. He has written National Anthem. He has started Shanti Niketan.